Hello, it's Phillip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and this morning I'm looking at a book from the Legal Action Group. It's one of the many books they have that deal with some very important areas of law, and this area of law is foreign national prisoners. As I actually make this video, it's a very popular topic on television at the moment because of the numbers of people who have not been extradited at the end of their serving their prison sentences, so it's very much on the top of the political agenda at the Home Office. This book anyway is about the law and practice relating to foreign national prisoners in custody here. It's written by Laura Dubinsky and with assistance from Hamish, Arnott and Alasdair, Mackenzie. This is the book here. We'll have a look at it. It's a heavy book. You can see the front cover. It runs to something like 850 odd pages. That's the back cover. You can see inside that there's a huge amount of information, very large number of chapters, and 42 in all. That's the index at the back, which is, I think, very helpful. It again follows the structure of the Legal Action Group publications with paragraph numbering at the sides and footnotes at the bottom. And there is in fact a very useful preface right at the beginning. In fact, the foreword is the one to look at first of all, from Sir Nicholas Blake. Then a rather detailed preface from the author of this, Laura Dubinsky, who goes in quite some detail as to what the very modern history of this problem is all about. Now, the book, again, is very much part of the stable of publications from LAG, and very welcome it is too. We've given it the title, Essential Reading for Immigration Law and Prison Law Practitioners, a multidisciplinary overview containing a number of firsts. And that's what it does, because the title itself indicates an area which is not either comfortable or an area that many people have much knowledge about, so it's important for us to know what is going on. It's an ambitious new work which takes as its theme the treatment of foreign national prisoners in the United Kingdom, and in the foreword Sir Nicholas Blake points out that the major and obvious differences between the plight of a foreign national prisoner and that of a British national, and that is the foreign prisoner faces deportation as well as the service of his or her sentence, so it's a double-edged sanction, if you like. In this major new work on such a difficult and complex area, the grim process of deportation and the exemptions to deportation are carefully examined, and certainly in a number of areas the book breaks new ground, containing as it does a number of firsts. For example, this is the first multi or interdisciplinary guide to immigration law, prison law and false imprisonment, and it's to be welcomed even just for those reasons. And it offers the first comprehensive overview of prison law issues as they affect foreign national prisoners, and we know that there are a very substantial number currently in custody. It includes issues of curfew, early removal, repatriation and the management of mentally ill prisoners, again a large number who are currently in custody. Other firsts include an in-depth examination of the best interests of the child in expulsion and detention cases, again important, and the law and procedure of appeals in the Special Immigration Appeals Commission, SIAC, which many of you will know about. Let me say that the book is a very substantial work in its own right. It's got a rich and valuable research resource complement to it, and has substantial numbers of cases. And to conclude, let me say in the words of Sir Nicholas Blake, it's useful to have all aspects of the law relating to the detention of foreigners all in one place. And without doubt, this book is a boon to immigration law and prison law practitioners, as well as others directly and operationally involved in this field. And I'm very grateful to LAG and the authors and their helpers for the massive amount of work that's gone into this. Thank you. Bye-bye.